Yo, what is going on, everyone? I'm assuming y'all here because you're getting some static noise into your mic when you plug it into your soundboard. Well, look, I got that solution right here for you in my hands. So what you got to do, go to Amazon and type in noise ground loop isolator. It should be the first one that pops up. It comes in this little box, a design box. That's the brand of the isolator. It comes in the box, comes with this setup right here. And what you do, for me, I got the A50s. I got my A50s plugged into my PC. And then you got to grab an aux cord, plug it in the back of the A50s, plug it straight up to here, and then plug this straight to your soundboard. For me, I got a Wave XLR Elgato. And then, so I plugged this straight into there, and the static noise so disappear completely. I looked up videos, countless videos, trying to figure out how to fix it, what to do, and I couldn't find too many. I probably found one out here, and they told me the same thing. So I'm just out here trying to spread the word even more because I literally spent like 2 days trying to figure this out. So I hope this helped, and you guys have a blessed night.